Okay. Hello, everyone. It's another delightful day to be working from home in our nation's capital, and I am glad you're here because I have an awesome tip for you today that will hopefully not only save you time, but money. As a marketing manager on a budget, I do my best to find tools that are either cheap or free that will help me do my job better, more efficiently, etc. As you know, as a part of my job as a small business marketing manager, I manage my business's YouTube channel, and I have found that using a script to record my YouTube videos is the best way for me to reduce the time that I spend editing, and it's the best way that I can make sure that I get the most valuable information to our viewers. Now, the easiest way for me, at least, to use a script in my YouTube videos is to use some kind of a teleprompter. However, most teleprompter apps come at a cost, and the free ones usually have like a 1-minute limit that you can use to record with them. So here's the solution I want to share with you today. I found a way to make my iPhone the perfect teleprompter that is easy to read and is custom designed to scroll at the tempo that I want to speak. So here's what I do. First, I type out my script in a Word document. This is the easiest way for me to edit what I want to say. Then I open up the Notes app on my phone and I talk to text my script into my Notes app. This allows me to practice my script out loud. Then I do a screen record on my phone as I talk through the script again to make sure that I'm scrolling at the speed I prefer. Now I have a recording of my script scrolling at the correct speed. Then I just set up the phone near the camera I want to use and hit record. This saves me so much time editing, and bonus, now I also have a transcript that I can upload with my video. I can also use that transcript to turn it into a blog post or an email, etc. Now, the glaring negative about using a teleprompter is that it doesn't come across quite as natural as when you don't use a teleprompter. However, you know what's worse? For me, it is losing my train of thought, stumbling over my words, spending tons of time editing out ums and pauses and just ugh. Look, not all of us can be naturals in front of the camera. I am certainly not. That comes with practice. Plus, at least in my experience, viewers on YouTube typically just want great content, and they can be very forgiving about your delivery. So if the teleprompter helps you save time and increase the value of your content, I say go for it. I hope this little tip helps you gain some confidence in making your videos and allows you to be more efficient. As I've said in the past, I think that all small businesses would benefit from having some kind of a presence on YouTube. And if this makes it easier on you, I hope that it helps. I would love to know below, do you use a teleprompter when you record your videos? And if not, what's your strategy to record efficiently? And most importantly, how do you make sure that you get everything that you want to say onto the video? For me, it's the DIY teleprompter, but if you have a system that works for you, I would love to hear about it. As always, I appreciate you watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.